Hello ladies, to part number 2 of this recorded lecture. In this part we are going to deal with reading tasks, starting with reading 1. And of course, as usual, you need to prepare yourselves to read this text by first previewing the text. And please try to remember, what do we mean by previewing? You need to apply the previewing skill in order to answer task number 1, which says look at the text and photographs on the opposite page here. Circle the correct words. Number 1, the text is for school children or university students. What do you think? Since here we have the word university, so it is for university students. So this is number 1, circle this one. Number 2, the text is about typical or unusual kinds of animals. What do you think? Are these animals typical? Unusual, not typical animals. So this is number 2. So circle this one and this one. Okay, ladies, moving to task number 2, which you need before that to understand the key vocabularies here in order to answer task number 2, which says read the sentences 1 to 7 below and write the words from the box here in the gaps. Use a glossary on page number 200 to help you. The words here are lays eggs, means put eggs, strange, romantic, ways, variety, kingdom, and long. Ladies, take like 10 minutes to use the glossary on page number 200 in order to understand these terms and then answering the questions or sentences here. Pause the video, do your task, do your job, and then come back again to check the answers and to see if your answers were correct or not. Here are the answers, ladies. Okay. Now, while reading this text, you need to read only the highlighted topic sentences in the text. Circle the correct answers A to C. Take 5 minutes, or let's say 2 minutes, to read only these sentences highlighted in yellow, okay? In order to answer this question. There's only one question. The question says, the main topic, the main idea of this text is, one way to say this question is, the text is talking about what? Animals in Australia, birds in New Zealand, or unusual animals around the world. What do you think? Pause the video, read the highlighted sentences, answer this question, which says the main topic of this sentence is, or the text is talking about, and let's see the answer. C. Unusual animals around the world. Okay, ladies, here we are going to read or learn a reading skill that will help you for sure reading properly and flawlessly. Reading for the main ideas. Many texts have paragraphs. Paragraphs mean مقاطع. One paragraph, second, this is number one, this is a paragraph, this is another one, this is another one, and this is the final one. So these are paragraphs. A paragraph, what do we mean by a paragraph? The definition of paragraph is a part, or it is a part of long text. So this is a very long text, okay, one page. As you can see, this is one page, and a paragraph is only one part of the text, okay? A paragraph has two or more sentences, so you need to keep this in mind. You cannot write a paragraph with one sentence. It has to be two or more sentences. Also, you need to know that each paragraph has a topic sentence, a main idea. Okay, topic sentence means main idea. Here, the topic sentences is highlighted or are highlighted with yellow. Okay, so this is the main idea in this paragraph. 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 And finally, this is the topic sentence or the main idea of or in this paragraph. What do you mean by topic sentence? Topic or the topic sentence is usually, not always, usually the first sentence in the paragraph. It is important. Why? Because it has the main idea of the paragraph. The highlighted sentences in reading one are the topic sentence. Okay, so you need to know that each and every paragraph has a topic sentence. What do we mean by a topic sentence? Is the main idea of this paragraph. Now, try to do task number 4, which says, read the text and answer the questions 1 to 4 below. Why is the kakaboo parrot unusual? Why is the kiwi romantic? Why is the platypus an unusual mammal? And finally, how big is the bumblebee bat? Okay, so look at the pictures here in order to see kakapoo, parrot, kiwi, platypus, and bumblebee bat. Enjoy your reading and try to answer these questions. Take 10 minutes and come back again to see or to check your answers. And this is it, ladies, for part 2. See you in the next one.